Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through a new feature that has been provided in Microsoft 365, or you can say Office 365 in SharePoint Online. So this is integration of Microsoft Forms directly into SharePoint list. For example, here you see this is a list, a sample list, and this new forms feature is there. So what happens? You can design a form directly from there, and anybody who submits a response gets into this list directly. Okay. So let's see if I go and click on new form, I can put a form and it has auto pick the fields. You can select which fields you want, which fields do you do not want. And you can even have the ability to add more. So I can put a name test. Hello. I can even put some description. This is description. Okay. And you want to add a new field, you can add and you have that option. Now you can select themes. You can do setting all the those sort of things that you used to do in this form, and then you can save the form and you can have a preview too. Then you can copy this link and you can share it with within the organization, the people who you want to. Okay. And the settings, people with existing access can respond. Okay. And with this, they can easily submit. So it's very easy now to integrate between these two. And from here you can proceed. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.